Hello everyone. Welcome to this presentation on data mining concepts. We will explore how to discover patterns and insights from large datasets using various techniques. So, what exactly is data mining? Data mining is the process of extracting meaningful patterns, relationships, and knowledge from large volumes of data. It involves using computational techniques and statistical methods to uncover hidden information that can be valuable for decision-making and problem-solving. The data mining process typically involves several key steps. First, we have data collection, where relevant data is gathered from various sources. Next is data preparation, which includes cleaning, transforming, and preparing the data for analysis. Then comes pattern discovery, where data mining techniques are applied to identify interesting patterns and relationships. Finally, we have knowledge extraction, where the discovered patterns are interpreted and transformed into actionable knowledge. There are several core techniques used in data mining, and each serves different analytical purposes for discovering patterns in complex data sets. These include classification, which categorizes data into predefined classes, clustering, which groups similar data points together, association rules, which identify relationships between items or events, and regression, which predicts numerical values based on historical data. Let's take a closer look at the classification technique. Classification assigns data points to predefined categories or classes based on their features and characteristics. It uses supervised learning, meaning it requires labeled training data to build a model that can accurately classify new, unseen data. Here's a simple example using Python's scikit-learn library to classify emails as either spam or not spam based on features like word count, number of links, and use of capitalization. Next, let's explore the clustering technique. Clustering groups similar data points together without predefined labels. It uses unsupervised learning to discover hidden patterns and structures in the data. The algorithm automatically identifies clusters of similar data points based on their inherent characteristics. Here is an example using Python's scikit-learn library. We can perform customer segmentation based on features like age and income. Now let's delve into association rules. Association rules identify relationships between different items or events in datasets. It discovers if-then patterns to understand item co-occurrence. A classic example of association rules is market basket analysis. For instance, an association rule might reveal that customers who buy bread and milk are also likely to buy butter, with a certain level of confidence such as 85% confidence. Data mining has a wide range of applications across various industries. In healthcare, it can be used for disease prediction and drug discovery. In finance, it helps with fraud detection and risk assessment. In retail, it enables customer segmentation and personalized recommendations. In technology, it supports user behavior analysis and personalization. In transportation, it aids in route optimization and traffic prediction. And in marketing, it enhances campaign effectiveness and targeting. Despite its many benefits, data mining also faces several challenges. These include ensuring data quality and proper pre-processing, addressing scalability and performance issues when dealing with large datasets, protecting privacy and security of sensitive data, and ensuring model accuracy while avoiding overfitting. However, advanced algorithms, distributed computing, and robust data pre-processing techniques help overcome these challenges. In summary, data mining is a powerful tool for extracting meaningful patterns from large datasets. Its core techniques include classification, clustering, association rules, and regression. It has applications in healthcare, finance, retail, and many other industries. Data mining is expected to play an increasingly important role in the age of artificial intelligence and big data. Thank you for learning about data mining. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.